Withdrawing money from your Tidal account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your Tidal account. Open the Tidal app or website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account from which you want to withdraw funds. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. This is typically found in the menu, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Select payment or payout options. In the account settings, look for the payment or payout options. This section will provide you with information on your earnings and how to manage withdrawals. Step 4. Enter bank account information. If you haven't already linked your bank account, you will need to enter your bank account details. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues with the transfer. Step 5. Initiate the withdrawal. After your bank account is linked, go back to the payout options and select the amount you wish to withdraw. Confirm the transaction and wait for the processing time, which may vary. Once you have completed these steps, your funds should be on their way to your bank account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Tidal's customer support for assistance.